Right.
It's cliffhanger.
This is the end of our wallie day. We've got to climb over here on that roof with the devastating diving seagulls. This is the end. I'm going to miss you, Kurt. I really are. I'll take this up as a video commentary.
Yeah.
If you ever kill all the seagulls off, come and find the camera.
Okay.
Right.
Right. It's cliffhanger.
Right, I'm on the roof. There's seagulls. There they are. 2 seagulls fighting in the sky. I'm heading for that corner over there. Shit! I don't like it. Alright, I'm going to pause it for a minute. Right. This is now like 5 minutes later.